A snapshot of life on a farm, taken not by a professional photographer, but by the farmer who knows the land best. Richard started taking the pictures as a present for his parents and as a record for his family.
Where's the cows? There!
But soon realised it'd make a great book. A year on a dairy farm. That's where Stroud Publishers, Amberley Publishing, stepped in.
They came back to me and said, oh, we think it's quite good. Perhaps you can come in and see us. So I went to see them. The next thing I know, they gave me a publishing deal UK-wide. I drove away from there thinking, well, I didn't expect, blimey, what a piece of luck.
And he still finds it amazing that he's produced pictures like this as an amateur and with a camera from his local supermarket.
That was nice, the butterfly. It took me a long time to get that picture of a butterfly. I was chasing a butterfly around the field for ages because they would perch, but the thing is, they wouldn't always perch in the right place. And as soon as I got there, they were off. I'm just amazed it came out, really, because I never thought it would, you know. And, you know, I sometimes look at this and think, did I really do that?
Well, he did, and he's got a book signing in his local bookshop in a few weeks' time to prove it. Kimberly Hunt, BBC Points West, Titherington.